Getting started, treadmill safety basics.
Before stepping onto a treadmill, check that the machine is on a flat surface, plugged in properly, and free of clutter. Always attach the safety clip to your clothing. It will stop the treadmill if you trip. Wear supportive athletic shoes and start at a low speed. Make sure you know the location of the emergency stop button before you begin.
Proper posture and walking technique.
Stand tall with your head up, shoulders back, and arms relaxed at your sides. Avoid holding on to the handrails unless necessary for balance. Keep your gaze forward, not down. Land softly with each step, rolling from heel to toe. Good posture helps reduce strain on your joints and makes your workout safer and more effective.
Adjusting speed and incline for beginners.
Start at a slow walking pace to get comfortable with the treadmill's movement. Gradually increase speed as you gain confidence. Once you feel steady, try adding a slight incline to simulate walking uphill. This boosts calorie burn and muscle engagement. Avoid sudden changes in speed or incline, and always listen to your body.
Structuring an effective treadmill workout.
Begin with a 5-minute warm-up at a comfortable pace, then work up to a steady walk or light jog. Aim for at least 20 minutes, adjusting speed and incline based on your fitness level. Finish with a gentle 5-minute cool-down. Consistent workouts improve endurance and overall health. Start slow and increase duration and intensity gradually.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Don't lean forward, slouch, or look down while walking or running. Avoid jumping onto or off of a moving treadmill, which can lead to injuries. Do not ignore signs of fatigue or pain. Stop if you feel dizzy or unwell. Remember, progression takes time. Stay focused on proper form and safety for long-term fitness gains.